sacred food to God at the holy altar to show our seriousness and sincere. This is a very solemn traditional Chinese ceremony of the Zhou dynasty about 3,000 years ago. We were like to ask the gentleman to stand on the right-hand side of the room, and the ladies on the left-hand side of the room. Please observe with silence throughout the ceremony. Please also ensure that your wearing is neat and tidy, and make sure that all buttons are secured in place. Thank you. 办道礼节2，请谈仪容天表。Content ceremony 进行典礼。The master is now completing the ceremony. This ceremony is to invite the grace of God, the Buddha angels, to come to this holy altar. During this ceremony, all the Buddha and angels have come to protect this holy altar. The Buddha and angels protect this holy altar so that the master can transmit the Tao to us. Book of Life 龙天表 The master is reading the Ascended Statement. This is to present our thankfulness toward the God, Heavenly Mother, to report to the Heavenly Mother that you are willing to receive the device, treasure, Tao. When your names are reported on the Book of Life, that means your names are deleted from the hell and registered in the heaven. After your death, the Buddha and angels will not bring your spirit to the hell, not to the heaven.